Hey guys, welcome back. So this is after day one. So pretty much everything is out. The only thing that's left is some of the framing from this wall here. Otherwise, the kitchen is completely out. The wall that was there is completely out. The wall that was dividing the dining room and the kitchen is completely out. But as you can see, a lot of work was done today. So let me kind of walk you around and show you what's happening. Pretty impressive compared to what it was at the beginning of the day and what it looks like now. So this angle here is coming in from the front door. This is the living room here. And let's walk right into this kitchen. Everything is out. You have just the plumbing from the sink, which will be moving. The only thing that's really here is this refrigerator, which will be moved downstairs to the family room in the next couple of days. Going this way, you'll see the dining room there. But yeah, everything is pretty much gone. As you can tell, just the lighting fixtures to give some lighting in here. We are going to be doing recessed lighting in here, which I'm really excited about because with the lights that we're using, you're going to be able to change the color of not just, the normal daylight warm, but also RGB. So you'll be able to change it to any color. So yeah, that is what's happening. Or this is what happened today. So this is at the end of day one. The contractor said demo would take 2 days. I guess tomorrow they'll come back and finish. I don't know exactly what they'll come back tomorrow and finish, since I thought that this is, what demo would be like. But maybe this wall here is what, they're referring to getting finished and whatever else. So I'll keep you updated to see how it's going, but it's quite a shock to come down and see this. This morning it was all here, come back down, and they did this in probably 4 hours, took everything out of here. So quite impressed, pretty impressive. But yeah, that's day one, it's the update, that's all I got. One last thing I do have is that our sink was also delivered today. So here is our sink that we're gonna be using. Got here, we started ordering everything a little bit earlier than we probably would have normally, but because everything is a little bit better on shipping times, delivery times, it's not being in stock, but we still didn't want to get stuck not getting what we wanted in time. So we're just starting to order stuff really early. It's really not that early. Most of the stuff we're gonna be needing in the next few weeks anyways, maybe a month, but we wanted to start to get that stuff in now and ensure that we would have it in time for when we actually do need it.